We just have to pay for that email account. That's it.
Okay. And
Okay.
yeah, and what exactly like are your prices on these services?
I believe I shared my Upwork link. So normally I charge in Upwork. If you hire me through Upwork, then it will be like $7 per hour. Or if you want me to hire monthly basis, then it's like 500 per month. How's it going, man? Hey, it's going great, man. Thanks for joining.
Yeah, for me. Yeah, nice to talk to you finally.
Yeah, I was waiting for you on the meeting link. Maybe you didn't get the notification.
Yeah, it was weird. I was trying to join the meeting and then I went on my calendar and the meeting just wasn't there at all. I refreshed it and everything. Yeah, it just wasn't even showing up for me.
I don't know because I used your calendar link yesterday. I don't know what.
Yeah, no, yeah, I saw the screenshot you sent, so that's why I tried to go back and look, and yeah, it still wasn't showing up. So yeah, it's just that's probably something I got to figure out on my end. That's weird.
Okay, not a problem, man. Let me know about your business, man. How can I help you out with the email marketing?
Yeah, so I actually have a client. His name is Troy. I've been doing email marketing campaigns for him for about like a week or two now, probably. But that's the thing though, is like I agreed to this deal because it's kind of like it's one of the first opportunities I was really given. So like I thought I would just try to make things work for him and see if I can, get paid, obviously. But then I realized once I got into it, the email marketing is like it's a lot more complex than I thought it would be. So I was just sort of thinking like I could find somebody to possibly come in and help me out there.
Definitely. So let me know what tool are you currently using for the marketing? Instantly, Smartly, what are you using?
Oh, yeah. So we use Mailmodo
Mailmodo. And the client that you onboarded, how many emails he wants to send per day?
per day. There's a 375,000 monthly limit.
Okay.
And so basically he was just telling me he wants to maximize the daily sending limit.
Okay. And does he has a domain ready, the warm-up email ready? Is everything ready?
Yeah. All that stuff is set up for me.
That's great. How many emails are connected with that tool currently? I mean,
Um, I believe I believe 2. Yeah, there's 2 that I can actually send from, and then there's one that's just like a support. It's like a reply domain. That's what people would
two
I believe 1 domain and 2 sending emails.
sending emails and how many emails he wants to send per day? Like 500, 1,000, 300, 200. How many?
I believe the breakdown I did the math for I believe it was around 10,000 a day.
10,000 a day from 2 sending accounts?
Yes.
Uh,
Oh, no, yeah, sorry, I've just been using 1 sending account. I'm gonna go actually look into my Mailmodo account real quick.
sure.
Because there was only 1 email that they were actually allowing me to send emails from. Yeah, because all this Mailmodo stuff was new to me because I've never used Mailmodo for email campaigns before.
So, brother, with 1 sending accounts, if you are sending like 1,000 emails per day, then there's gonna be an issue. According to my experience and my understanding, if you send like 1,000 emails from 1 sending account a day, then there are high chances that domain get blocked. The email account get blocked. And you
Oh, if you send wait, so that there's high chances of getting blocked if you send more than how many?
more than 50 emails a day.
More than
Send-
50?
Yeah, from
And then
domains.
and then if you send more than 50, then there's more of a chance of getting blocked or being put in spam.
Yes. Like what I recommend basically, create 3 email accounts from one domain. That's the uh, standard limit. And from 3 email, you can send 100 emails per day from 3 sending accounts, 100 emails per day. So the more domain you have, the more sending accounts you have, and then you can send more emails. So then there will be no restriction. You can send more email. But if you have one
Yeah.
domain and 1 sending accounts, there are chances the domain get blocked, the email account get banned. You won't be able to send email, and it will start landing in the spam.
Okay. That actually makes a lot of sense. 'Cause I was getting a lot of block.
Domain he's currently using for the marketing purpose. Is he using his main website domain or he is using a different domain?
He's using yes, I believe it's his main website domain, Troy Wins.
The high risk. If we send 1,000 emails from that domain, and if people started reporting spam, then domain get down, then his website will also get down. Then that's a problem. We should recommend him to get a similar domain matching with his website name. Like if his website is xyz.com, then he can get a domain like dxyz.com, myxyz.com, yourxyz.com, and like I create emails, and then you can forward those domain to his website, so that if people search that domain like dxyz, myxyz, we will forward them to his website. Okay, in that way, even if we get blocked, the main website, the main domain will be intact, will be in safe.
Okay, yeah. So from what I'm understanding is I should have 3 different sender emails per domain.
Per domain, yes, and you'll be able to send 100 per day from 3 senders. So if you we could target is to send 1,000 or 500. Depending upon that, you need to get more domain and more email accounts, and then there will be no restriction, no problem, no issue, and we'll be able to send like 1,500 emails per day.
Okay. And so you said I could send like 100 per email once I have 3
No,
or
100
50.
per 100 per domain. Like
Okay.
if you have one domain, you create 3 email accounts. So 100 emails from one domain. So you can separate those 100 into 3 email accounts, like 33, 33, 33 from each. Or if you create two email, then you can send 50, 50, 200, 100 from one domain.
All right, yeah, that makes sense though.
Does he has the lead list ready?
Oh, yeah, yeah, he has a lead list and they add leads to it almost every day. Like they just keep importing new leads all the time. So yeah, there's warm leads in there for sure.
What about the content, template, the sequences, and the template of the email copywriting? Everything is ready now.
Um He had templates, but I wasn't using them because I didn't really like the templates that he had in there too much, so I just thought I would, like, set up some new ones and make my own so it looks a little bit better, and I like to use Canva for when I'm designing certain email campaigns. I don't know what you do for yours, but
Okay.
are you familiar with Canva?
I am familiar with Canva. Yes, why not?
Okay.
People are using Canva nowadays, so I'm familiar with that.
Yeah.
And what is his niche? Is he doing e-commerce business or B2B? What is he doing?
It is like a info product business, I would say. He sells, sports betting picks.
Okay. So as you mentioned that he has the lead list ready, we need to verify them as well. Are those verified leads, or still active or not? So there are tools in the market like Million Verifier, then Reon. You need to verify them, because if you don't verify them, then the email will start bouncing. The bounce rate will be high, and if the bounce rate high, then it will impact the domain health score as well. So we need to make sure
Oh,
we
will that'll impact, like, the deliverability of the emails?
yes, that will impact.
Okay.
So we need to make sure that whether those email accounts are still active or not, we need to verify them before we
Yeah,
can
'cause
launch
what
them.
check yeah, there's a bounce rate on my email campaigns. This is the last 30 days. The bounce rate was 2.1%. Is that bad?
That's good. Below 3% is fine. Above 3% is bad.
Okay. And, yeah, so do you mind if I just ask you, like, a question or 2?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Yeah, so, like, you said you're, like, an email marketer and stuff, and this is, like this is your expertise, obviously. So, what exactly, how would this work? Like, would you come in and, like, I would just kinda explain to you, like, what it is that I'm doing, like, what the projects are that I'm working on, and then you would kinda just help me out with it? Or would I just send you, like, the stuff that you would need, and then you would just set up the email campaigns and do it all?
Yes, I'm gonna do it all. Like I just need the tools that I'm gonna need. I will ask you. I will reach out to you. Hey Tori, I need the lead. I need the tool access. I need the domain access to set up all the things, and then I will keep tracking the inboxes. Whenever I see a positive lead, a good response, then I will definitely let you know, and then you will take over. You will reach out to them. You can book the meeting or close the deal. It's totally up to you. I will do the whole thing. And when it comes to the setup with the email accounts, like if you want to set up 12 domains with 36 emails, then I can help you to set up with Google Workspace, with Office 365, whatever you need. I can do that. We just have to pay for that email account. That's it.
Okay. And,
Okay,
yeah, and, what exactly, like, are your prices on these services?
I believe I shared my Upwork link. So normally I charge in Upwork. If you hire me through Upwork, then it will be like $7 per hour. or if you want me to hire monthly basis, then it's like 500 per month.
Okay. Yeah, because the way, like, I'm getting paid for these email campaigns is I receive just, like, a $500 stipend each month, and then I get commission for all the conversions or all the sales that I get. So I make 50% commission on each conversion that I make.
Okay. So you can talk to your client, talk to him about the email accounts and domain. And if he's okay with that, then definitely I can help out do the setup process.
Yeah, sounds good.
Is there anything else you
And
want to know, brother?
yeah, I'm just gonna ask, like, just, like, a question from your perspective because I feel like you have a little bit more experience, like, right now, like, over me. So as far as what you know, do you think I should go out and just tell my client, like, "Hey, I'm gonna be working with somebody else to run your email marketing campaigns," just so he knows that there's someone else involved in it, or should I just not mention
I
that?
don't
Should I
think they will like that. You can say that you have a team. Your team is taking care of that.
let's see. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Instead of if you're saying that I'm someone from a different country, I hired remotely, they will not like it, I
Yeah,
think.
they wouldn't like that as much. That makes sense.
I can say I have someone in my team. That will make sense, more sense.
Yeah, yeah, I just say there's someone on my team to, like, doing that work for you.
Yes, yes, you can do it.
Okay. Alright, yeah, sounds good. I'm just gonna have to talk with my client and work out the prices and stuff because 'cause I'm probably gonna need to ask for a little bit more money from him if I'm gonna, like, so just
Explain
like
the process to him, and if he's okay with that, let him know we need more domains, more email accounts, depending upon how many emails you want to send per day. And once he's agreed with that, we need the access of the tool, the domain access, and then we need to mention him like we need to verify their leads. And if everything is okay with the pricing and you work through with that, then definitely you can reach out to me anytime you want.
yeah, of course, and so just so I can, like, get clear on this one more time, sorry if I'm asking too many questions, but I just wanna make sure I fully am understanding this with the emails and the sending domains and stuff, so I just need to ask him how many emails he wants to send per day, and then based off of how many emails he's trying to send per day, then I can know how many domains I'm gonna need and how many sending emails I'm gonna need per domain.
Yes. Let me give you a rough idea. So if you want to send 500 emails per day, so we need 6 domains. From 6 domain, we're going to create 12 email accounts. So 3 from each, 18 email accounts. Okay. 6 times 3, 18 email accounts. From 18, we'll be able to send 540 emails per day. Okay. And if he wants to send 1,000 emails, then we need 12 domains and 36 email accounts. And once we're done with the setup, we need to warm them up. Because those are fresh email, we cannot just start sending emails right away. We need to warm them up, minimum 14, 15 days. And in the meantime, we can work on the calling templates, the sequences, the copywriting. And from the third week, we will start sending our emails. That's the process. Let him know. If he's okay with then definitely we can start working on that.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I'll definitely let him know that, like, exactly what you just said then.
Okay, brother. It's been nice talking with you. I'll be looking forward to hearing.
Yeah, nice to talk to you, yeah, I look forward to working with you.
Okay, brother. Have a great day. Bye bye.